Hello everyone, so welcome again to our channel. So in this video, our topic will be partnership dissolution. So we are done already with partnership formation and partnership operations. So if you haven't watched the video yet, so the link is available on the description. And the PDF file of this material is also available on the description below. So let's get started. So according to Article 1825, dissolution daw is the change in the relationship of the partners caused by any partners or partner ceasing to be associated in the carrying out of the business. So ang keyword is change in the relationship. So paano ba nagbabago yung relationship ng mga partners? So later, I will discuss the reasons why there is a change in relationship between the partners. Another is, it is the termination of the life of the existing partnership. So once na-dissolve yung partnership, na-terminate yung life ng existing partnership and may be followed by either formation of a new partnership caused by dissolution by change in the ownership structure, or liquidation. So liquidation, termination of the business activities carried on by the partnership and the winding up of affairs preparatory to going out of the business. So yung first is na-dissolve yung partnership but there's a new partnership that has been created. So actually, ito yung i-discuss natin sa video nito. In form, the partnership is being dissolved. So the old partnership is terminated and a new partnership is created, but the operation is still continue. So walang hindi affected yung operation ng partnership. However, sa second liquidation, na-dissolve yung partnership as well as na-stop na yung operation. So ito yung this will be discussed on a separate video. So here, dissolution by change in ownership structure, meaning nawala yung existing partnership and new partnership will be created. So here are the conditions resulting to partnership dissolution. So bakit ba nagbabago yung relationship ng mga partners? So una, admission of a new partner. So meaning may bagong partner na sasali sa partnership. 'Di ba? Siyempre, pag may bagong partner, mabago yung relationship ninyo kasi may additional na persons in the partnership, right? Second will be withdrawal or retirement, meaning an existing partner will withdraw or retire from the partnership. So, bakit siya nag-retire? Depende na sa partner. Maybe because napagod. Sabi niya, sorry, napagod ako. Sinubukan naman natin, di ba? So, parang Julia lang. Bitaw, so for whatever reasons that the partner withdraw or retired from the partnership, so hindi na natin scope yun. Ang role natin as accountant, we must account for the transaction, the withdrawal, and the retirement. Third condition resulting to dissolution is the death or incapacity or bankruptcy of a partner. And last will be ang partnership nagiging corporation. So nag-upgrade sila from partnership to corporation. So again, admission, withdrawal, death, and incorporation. So AWDI or AWDI. So 'di ba pag may nabago, masakit 'yon, 'di ba? So ang sasabihin mo, AWDI. Bitaw para madaling ma-recall. So AWDI lang. Admission, withdrawal, death, and incorporation. So let's discuss first the first condition, admission of a new partner. So bakit ba nag-admit ng bagong partner ang mga partners. So, admission of a new partner will increase the assets of the partnership. Of course, a partner may invest additional resources to the partners or expertise, so he can contribute his expertise to the existing partnership. So a partner can be admitted in two methods. First, the purchase of interest, and second is the investment of asset. So una natin dito sa purchase of interest. Purchase of interest is the acquisition of capital equity interest directly from one person, from one or more of the existing partners. So by the way, if you admit a new partner, there must be a consent of all the partners. So nasa law yan. Admission by purchase of interest is a transaction between the new partner and the existing partners. So transaction between the partners, the new and the existing, or personal between the partners. So hence, any gain or loss is recognized by the selling partner and not by the partnership. So ano bang ibig sabihin nito? So di ba pag sasali ka sa partnership, the new partner of course will pay for the interest that he will be buying, right? So hindi ka naman pwedeng sumali sa partnership if wala kang i-invest or ibabayad. So for purchase of interest, ang tatandaan nyo is that the transaction happens between the partner, the new partner and the existing partner. So meaning, the payment by the new partner is made or given to the existing partnership. So personal yung bayad. So yung walang cash na na-receive si partnership. Understood? So may entry ba tayo sa partnership? Yes or no? So as to cash, wala tayong entry as to cash sa books ng partnership. So ang entry lang natin is to transfer the capital of the old partner to the new partner. So actually, para lang siyang transfer of capital from the old partners to the new. Yan yung purchase of interest. So meaning, the capital of the partnership before and after the admission of the new partner will be the same. So assuming walang revaluation, so the capital will be the same before and after. Because para lang yung portion ng capital ng old, transfer lang sa new partner. So let's have an example para mas maintindihan. So may example tayo, problem number 1. Okay. So assuming Kimi and Brody are partners with profit and loss ratio of 75-25 and capital balances of 55 and 37 respectively. So Carrie daw wants to be admitted into the partnership by purchasing at 20% interest. So ang keyword nito class will be purchasing at 20% interest. So iba yung investing, iba yung contributing cash or an asset to the partnership because that will be investment method. So dito sa purchase of interest, ang keyword is purchase a particular percent of interest. So nag-acquire siya ng 20% interest by paying 31,000. So assuming there are that no asset revaluation is to be made, the capital balances of Kim and Brody respectively after the admission of Carrie will be, so yung tanong will be the capital after the admission. So paano ba yan? Simply, capital ni Kimi at Brody before the admission will be 55 and 37,500 with a total of 92,500. So, ang concept ng purchase of interest, again, kukunan lang yung portion ng capital ng existing partners, itatransfer lang sa new partner. So, as I've said earlier, the same lang yung total natin before and after the admission. Understood? So, magkano na yung binili? 20% interest. Tapos, yung profit or loss ratio nila will be 75 and 25. So, by the way, class, purchase of interest, a new partner can purchase the interest of one partner. So, for example, kay Kimi lang, the problem will also specify na both partners, or silent yung problem tulad nito, walang partner na indicate. So, meaning, pag ganyan, all partners will be deducted and the amount deducted will be transferred to the new partner. Do you follow? Okay, yes. Sige. Simply, 20% times the capital of each partner's existing partner. So, that would be 11,000 and 7,500. 20% each. So, itatransfer sa new partner. So, minus, yan. So, magkano yung total? That would be 18,500. Or simply, para mas madali, 20% times total capital of the partners. Yan. So, the same lang yung amount. So, ang capital na lang nila Kimi ngayon at Brody after admission of Kari will be 55 minus 11. That would be 44,000. And for Brody, 37,500 minus 7,500, that would be 30,000. Yun lang. So, minus sa old, transfer sa new capital. So, less ng 20% each, or para mas madali, 20% sa total. Yun yung capital ng new partner. So, question, magkano na ngayon yung profit or loss ratio ni Kimi at Brody? Because before, 75-25% sila. May 20% na si Kari. So, simple lang. Since 20% na yung Kari, so dapat ang total sa old is 80%. So, simply, 80% times 75, that would be 60%. 80% times 25, that would be 20%. So, ito na yung bagong profit and loss ratio ng tatlong partners. So, total pa rin yan ng 100%. So, for our corresponding entry, simply record the capital transferred from the existing to the new. So, debit ka Kimi capital 11, Brody capital 7,500, then credit Kari capital 18,500. So, if you notice, di ba may binayad na 31,000 si Kari, right? 31. Tapos yung capital niya sa new partner is 18,500. So again, in accounting for purchase of interest, the payment of the new partner will be disregarded because this will be received personally by Kimi and Brody. So yung gain and loss ni Kimi at Brody will be personal. Then wala ding record na cash si partnership. Simply yung capital lang, yung transfer ng capital from the old to the new partner. So, yun yung sabi dito. Transactions between the new partner and existing partners or personal between the partners. Hence, any gain or loss is recognized by the selling partners and not by the partnership. Moreover, asset revaluation, positive or negative, may be recognized prior to admission of a new partner, with any adjustments carried to the capital account of the old partners only, using their old profit and loss ratio. So meaning, in case hindi tama yung value ng sum of the assets sa partnership, so meaning magre-revalue sila, so any positive or negative revaluation should be adjusted to the capital of the old partner. So hindi kasali si new partner, di ba? It would be unreasonable for the new partner to have a share sa revaluation, di ba? Kasi kakasali niya lang tapos may share na siya agad sa revaluation. So no, the revaluation should be shared only by the old partners using their old profit and loss ratio. So the asset revaluation in some problems given yung revaluation. So multiply mo lang sa respective profit or loss ng mga old partners, yun na yung share nila. So before ka mag-deduct ng interest to be transferred to the new partner, adjust ka muna ng revaluation. So madali lang. Let's have another example using the previous example. So assuming daw that the equipment of the partnership is undervalued, how much is the capital of the three partners after the admission? So same problem kanina, kaso may revaluation. The problem is, hindi given yung amount ng revaluation. So ano yung gagawin natin pag hindi given? Kasi pag given, like for example, may undervaluation na 100,000, simply, kung positive yan, so times 75%, add yun sa capital ni Kimi. Tapos 25% kay Brody, if given. However, in this problem, hindi given yung revaluation. So, our only resort will be using the payment of the new partner. Diba kanina disregarded siya pag walang revaluation. In this problem, since wala na tayong ibang option to determine the amount of revaluation, so gagamitin natin yung payment ni new partners. Bakit? Siyempre kung ikaw yung new partner, ang ibabayad mo will be equivalent to the 20% of the interest that you are going to acquire. So, meaning, the 20%, ang fair value ng 20% sa partnership will be assumed as 31,000. So, itong 31,000, 20% ang fair value ng partnership. So, magkano yung 100%? So, work back lang natin. So, Kimi, Brody, and Carrie. So, bago tayo mag-transfer of capital from old to new, again, recognize muna natin yung revaluation. So, di ba yung capital nila before the admission is 55,000 and 37,500. Total of 92,500 with 75-25 profit and loss ratio. So, paano ba i-compute yung revaluation? So, simply, 31,000 divided by 20%, that would be the amount of the 100%, right? So, 31 divided by 20%, that would be 155,000. So, ito yung value ng partnership based on the amount paid by the new partner. So, there's an increase of 62,500. So, ito yung ating revaluation. Since increase, that would be positive revaluation. Of course, pag lumiit yung balance dito, that would be a negative revaluation. That would be a reduction in the capital. But for this case, positive revaluation, so it will be added to the capital of the partners. So magkano yung share ng each partner? So again the revaluation should be shared only by the old partners. Hindi kasali a new partner. So times 75/25, that would be 46,875 and 15,625. So the capital of the partners after the revaluation will be 101,875 and 53,125. Total 155,000. So since nakuha na natin yung capital after the revaluations, we can now proceed to the purchase of interest. So magkano yung interest ni Carrie? So 20%. So 20% times 155 or 20% each of the old partners, deduct natin, transfer natin sa new partner. So magkano yung 20% each? So 20% times 101,875, that would be 20,375 and 10,625 respectively. Add mo yan, that would be 31,000. So equivalent to the amount paid by the new partner. Or simply 155 times 20%, so that would be 31,000. So magkano yung capital ng old partners? So ang natira na lang is 81,500 and 42,500. So yung answer natin will be letter C. And for the first requirement kanina, 44 and 30, letter B. So again, kanina diretso tayo ng purchase of interest, transfer from old to new. Sa pangalawa, revalue muna before mag-purchase of interest. So for our entry, simply record mo yung revaluation. So debit equipment, since undervalued siya, kulang yung amount, so debit mo siya. Credit capital of the old partners, Brody, ang share nila, yung total revaluation is 62,500, ang share nila is 46,875 and 15,625 respectively. And for the purchase of interest na entry, debit the capital of the old partners, Kimi capital, Brody capital, yung amount na transfer nila 10,625 total, Carry capital 31,000. So same pa rin, walang cash na na-recognize sa books ng partnership. So walang debit to cash. So yun yung sa purchase of interest. Okay, let us proceed to the second method in admitting a new partner, which is investment of asset. So unlike sa purchase of interest where payment is made personally to the existing partners, here in investment of assets, the payment of the new partner is made to the partnership. So ang nag-receive ng asset or cash payment ng new partner is ang partnership, hindi yung existing partners. So in investment of asset, the new partner invests or contributes assets to the partnership. So yung keyword natin will be the words invest or contributes. Pag purchase of interest, purchase interest. So Investment of asset is the transaction between the new partner and the partnership. Compared kanina na purchase of interest, transaction between the new partner and the existing partner. So in investment of asset, there may be a bonus to be recorded either to the new partner or to the old partner. So depende na yan if the amount credited to the new partner is greater than or equal to his capital investment or contribution. Also, aside from bonus, there may be an asset revaluation, positive or negative, to be recognized prior to the admission of the new partners, with any adjustment carried to the capital account of the old partners using their old profit and loss ratio. So same kanina. So regardless if purchase of interest or investment of asset, any revaluation class should be made only to the old partners. Wala pa ring share si new partner. So in investment of assets, again, the amount paid is, or the amount of payment made by the new partner is recorded by the partnership. So basically, si partnership, magde-debit yan ng cash or any asset na binayad ni new partner. So debit cash amounting to that amount. And then credit to capital. However, it does not mean na kung magkano yung ininvest na new partner, that would be the capital of that partner. Why? Again, the partnership is based on agreement. So always nagprevail yung agreement ng mga partners. So the investment or the capital credit of the new partner may be greater than or less than to the amount of his investment or contribution. Depende yan sa agreement ng mga partners. So let's have an example para mas maintindihan. So proceed tayo sa problem 2 and 3. Okay, problem number 2 tayo. So Roger and Ruby are partners who share profits and losses in the ratio of 60-40 or 6:4 respectively. On May 10, their respective capital accounts were as follows: 60 and 50 for each partner. So on that date, Clint was admitted as a partner with 1/3 interest in the capital and profits for an investment. So yung keyword natin here is the investment. So meaning, this is an investment of asset, hindi purchase of interest. The new partnership began with a total capital of 150,000. So immediately after the admission, Ruby's capital daw should be, so ito yung requirement. So investment of assets, so may format tayo wherein we write the contributed capital of each partner and another column for the agreed capital. So yung capital ng old partners, Roger and Ruby, is 60 and for Ruby 50. So ito yung contributed capital or yung capital na in-invest. So di ba pag dissolution, na-dissolve yung old partnership, tapos a new partnership will be created. So yung i-contribute ni Roger at Ruby yung capital nila from the old partnership, which is 60 and 50. While for Clint, ang ininvest niya is equal to 40,000. So again, ito yung investment. So ito yung amount na na-receive ng partnership from the new partner, Clint. So total contributed capital will be 150,000. So in our separate column, we have here the agreed capital. So as I've said earlier, it does not mean na yung 40 yung ininvest ng new partner, automatic 40 40 rin yung capital niya sa new partnership. So, depende sa agreement ng mga partners, kaya agreed capital. So, ano yung sinabi sa partnership? So, si Clint daw will be admitted for a 1/3 interest in the capital of the partnership. So, given sa problem na yung capital natin is 150,000. So, equal yung contributed at agreed capital. So, pag equal yung contributed at agreed capital, so yung ano yung gagamitin? So, gagamitin natin yung bonus method. What if, sir, hindi equal yung contributed at agreed capital? So, dyan na yung revaluation method. So, pag may revaluation, so before ka mag-account for the bonus, if may bonus man, adjust first for any revaluation. Same sa purchase of interest kanina. So, revaluation will be shared by the old partners only. So, once adjusted na for the amount of revaluation, so pwede ka na gumamit ng bonus method. If may difference sa amount investment by the new partner and his capital credit. Of course, kung nag-agree sila na 40 yung agreed capital ni Clint, so syempre walang bonus. May bonus lang if the investment by the new partner is different from his capital credit. So ito yung amount ng agreed capital, or ang term niyan is capital credit. Ang napagkasunduan ng mga partners na capital ni new partner. So investment, then capital credit. So anong sabi ng problem? So walang sinabi as to capital credit, but given yung amount of interest to be credited to the new partner, which is 1/3. So magkano yung 1/3 ng 150? So that would be 50,000. So ang invest niya is 40, pero ang capital niya is 50, mas malaki. So mas malaki ng 10. So nadagdagan siya ng 10,000. So ano ba yung concept ng bonus method? So under bonus method, any bonus given to the new partner will be deducted from the capital of the old partners using their old profit and loss ratio na 60/40. So, do you follow? So, 10 times 60%. So, pag plus dyan, minus dito. 6 and 4. 10 times 60% and 40% respectively. Of course, if mas maliit yung na credit kay new partner, for example, instead na 50, 30 to. So, minus dito yung bonus. So, meaning, may bonus to old partners pag lumiit yung capital ni new partner. Dito, since lumaki yung partner niya, so bonus to new partner. Otherwise, bonus to old partners. So, minus 6, that would be 54. Then, minus 4, that would be 46. Total of 150,000. So, yun lang yung bonus method na investment of asset. Diba mas madali lang. Let's have another problem para mas ma-challenge kayo. Problem number 3. So, okay, problem number 3 tayo. So, Rafa and Angela, having capital balances of 140 and 75 respectively, decided to admit Digi into their partnership. So, Digi is to invest. So, again, keyword natin, invest. So, kung hindi man invest, contribute sufficient amount in order to have a 25% interest in the partnership. The old profit ratio of the old partners is 3:1, and Angela's capital balance after the admission is 84,350. So how much was invested by DG? So parang work back to, di ba? So given yung capital after the admission, ang tinanong is magkano yung ininvest. So based sa format natin kanina, di ba ito? Given yung capital ng old partner after the admission, pero hindi given yung amount of investment. So ito yung hinahanap sa problem na to. So if you understood the concept here, so you can work back the amount invested by the new partner. So let's try. Contributed capital and agreed capital, Rafa, Angela, and Diki. So yung capital ng all partners is 140 and 75 with 3/4 and 1/4 profit and loss ratio, so 3:1. Then ano pa yung given? Capital ni Angela, so Angela after the admission is 84 to 50. So wala nang ibang given, right? 25% yung interest na in-acquire ni new partner. So ito yung hinahanap, the amount of investment. So can we get the amount of investment? Of course. So let's start here. So yung capital ni Angela, 75 before the admission, naging 84 to 50. So bakit kaya? So nag-increase siya ng magkano? 99,250. So di ba under the bonus method, pag may bonus yung old partners, deduct dito sa new partner. Pag may bonus sa new partner, deduct from the old. But for this case, since nag-increase yung capital ng old, sila ang may bonus. So magkano kaya ang total bonus? So yung share ng bonus, itong 950, hindi to yung total bonus. Share lang yan ni Angela sa total bonus. So itong 950, 1/4 lang yan sa total bonus. So magkano yung total bonus? So simply, para makuha mo yung total bonus, 950 divide by 1/4, that would be 37,000. So meaning 37,000 was deducted from DG or the new partner. So magkano yung share ni Ruby Arafa times 3/4, that would be 27,750. Okay, do you follow? And then the capital after that would be 167,750. So unti-unti nang na-fill up yung table natin. So what will be our next step? So since 25% yung in-acquire ng new partner, we can assume na, or it is implied na 75% ang total interest ng old partners, right? So if given yung capital ng old partners, so makukuha natin yung 100% or ang total agreed capital by working back. So add mo lang yung capital ng old partners. So the total for that would be 252,000, which is 75% of the total capital. So para makuha natin yung 100%, 252 divided by 75%, that would be 336,000. Times 25%, ito na yung capital credit ni new partner DG. So 84,000. So ito na ba yung answer? Nasa letter A. So pag yan yung answer mo, mali ka na. Bakit? Ang tinanong is amount of investment. Ano ba to yung 84? Ito yung capital credit. The amount, the capital agreed by the partners. So, ang tinanong is, magkano daw yung ininvest niya? So, itong 84, net na sa 37 na dinidak as bonus to the old partner. So, magkano ba yung ininvest niya? So, add back mo lang yung 37. Yung ininvest niya is 121,000. So, naging 84 lang siya dahil nag-deduct tayo ng 37. So, ito yung investment. So, don't be confused ha. So, careful tayo pag ano yung na-require ng problem. Again, this is the amount of investment. This is the amount of the capital credit. So, total pa rin yan ng 336,000. So, if you understand the concept, so kahit balik ta rin pa yan, so makukuha mo rin yung requirement. Okay? So, yun yung admission of a new partner by purchase of interest and investment of asset. So, wala tayong sample problem as to revaluation. But again, pag may revaluation, before tayo mag-account ng bonus, plus or minus lang natin yung revaluation sa old partners. Then, after that, account mo na yung bonus. So, by the way, ang entry natin dito will be debit. Sa books ng partnership, yung entry will be debit cash. So, pag investment of asset, ang partnership yung nag-receive ng cash. So, debit siya. Magkano yung in-invest? 121,000. Then, yung capital credit niya, DG capital is 84,000. So, base entry, 121 yung in-invest niya, pero ang capital niya is 84 lang. So, yung 27,750 at 9,250, bonus yan sa old partners na si Rafa at si Angela. So, yun yung kaibahan ng investment of asset method.